Hi, I'm Fiona from the Commonwealth Bank Staff Community Fund. We use our fundraising to support four charities particularly: Very Special Kids, the Clown Doctors, the Fight Cancer Foundation and the Midnight Basketball.
So how do you get the message across to everyone to purchase an entertainment book? How does the fundraiser work for you guys?
Yep, a couple of ways. We get an email out to all our members. We also nationally put it all on our website, our internal branch website, and we email out to staff. So that we hit them every way we can. We've done really well. We've converted the last couple of years. I found that this week for Vic Taz, we sent our email out Thursday, and I had 50 orders from Thursday to this morning already. It's been great, and a third of those are the new digital ones. It's fantastic. If you're like me, I always get out and go, oh damn, the book's on the table at home. Digital, easy. My phone's always with me. Easy way to get to stuff.